Everyone, my name is Sean Harrison DC Aldaba. Now I'm going to run the laboratory 3 in figure 1 periodic waveforms. The top one is the sawtooth wave, look like a ramp then rise and drop suddenly repeating. Bottom is the square wave, switches instantly between positive 1 and negative 1 like a light turning on and off. In figure 2 product of function, the top one is the discrete product multiplying a parabola to t raised to 2 with a sine wave shown with a dots lines. In bottom, continuous product, same multiplication but drawn as a smooth curve. In figure 3, complex discrete signal. Top left is the real part, the normal part of the complex signal. The top right is the imaginary part, the portion rotated signal. In the bottom left is the magnitude, the signal's overall strength size. In bottom right is the phase, the signal's angle or shift over time. In figure 4, multiplication, example 1. Okay, two signals, a decaying curve and a sine wave. In the bottom, their product, a sine wave that fades out over time. In figure 5, two signals ramp increasing line and decaying curve. In the bottom, their product grows at a first, then shrink as decay dominates. In figure 6, um, in the top, two decaying curves with a different speeds. In the bottom one, their difference starts positive and then decreasing slowly. In figure 7, it's a complex exponential. The top one is the real and imaginary part of the rotating signal like two sine waves shifted. The bottom is the magnitude, constant strength, and pace, steady downward slope frequency. That's all. Thank you.